Hey everybody, it's Saturday at the event. We've got some amazing things going on. They just announced a new 330 package, which I've let a lot of you know about, that has all of the new products in it. Up here up front, hanging out with some of the folks that you would recognize. There's Mike Sims. There's Mike Sims in the house. D. Hutchins is up here. Of course, Will Weaver, own John Morris. And just so excited, folks. I wish you were here. You got to make plans to be here next year. The excitement is off the charts. This company is going to the top, and that is not hype, that is fact. Talk to some industry leaders, not just Zija people, but some industry leaders, and they said that it is unreal that the what Zija's doing, the trail that they are blazing. So from Salt Lake again, saying hello and wish you were here. Let's do this thing. Let's go change some lives.